Hey guys, this is Josh. Drake's in the background. Um, I just got done watching YouTube videos of people drinking like Sprite or Coke for and try not to burp as I'm burping now. Um, it is 3:15 in the morning at Eastern time. So yeah, this is a slap happy video. So what I have is I'm not sponsored by Pepsi, but this is a Diet Pepsi Wild Cherry. And I'm gonna try not to burp. So Drake, we need to be very quiet when we start laughing. Okay, this is me opening it. Show you guys it's not a fake one. This is gonna suck, but this is a lot harder than I thought. Cause you feel like the burp sitting at your neck. Shut up. This is unbelievably hard. Did it. Okay, here comes the burp. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh gosh. Okay, I hope you guys did it, but I did it.